Doesn't really tell you in the manual, but I believe it's a rotation of about 720 degrees before it ratchets out on you and you have to go back the other way. The button on the left controls the sound on and off, and the button on the right controls the little light blinking on and off. Well, that's a pretty basic look at the Kolegend professional excavator. Let's get this baby into the dirt.
We just got all the tape off it, and we're going to open it now. Okay, so box. Okay. Okay, there we go. Wow, this looks like a literal model. Let's put that there because it fell out. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and it looks like a literal model of a real excavator. And there's like wiring here. It doesn't have the batteries in here yet, but that's how we'll get this big thing to move. So let's get it out. As you can see, it's very good, and there's not even batteries in it yet. It even turns, looks like it. And here's the bottom. So thank you, Kolegend. So thank you for sending me this, and I can't wait to go outside and play with it. Oh, so this is my childhood sandbox, and we're going to test it out in the sand, and we got it kind of flattened out so it would work, and this is the remote control. So first you turn this on, thanks Sandy, you do that to put that on, and we'll just put that there for now. Then you grab this and turn it on right there. Okay, so that turns it this way. This button right here turns it that way. I guess this button turns it that way. Oh! Yeah. And this one makes it move. And so does this one. So this button makes it go down like that, and this button makes it go down and scoop. So you can dump it out, and we'll put a big pile of sand there and see if it scoops. And look, it scoops! There we go. Okay, so let's go. And how about we give it a little turn? See ya, sand! With some. Okay, so we are going to turn it back, and I love this toy. It's very fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.